Good day everyone, our lesson for today is all about arithmetic and geometric sequence part 1. Patterns and sequence. Arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, a sequence of numbers in which the difference between any two consecutive numbers or expression is the same, while geometric sequence, a sequence of numbers in which each term is formed by multiplying the previous term by the same number or expression. In arithmetic sequence, we add numbers, while in geometric sequence, we multiply numbers. To understand it better, I prepared examples for arithmetic sequence. Find the next three terms or terms in each pattern. We have this pattern, 7, 12, 17, 22. What is the next three terms? Look for a pattern, usually a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. The pattern is to add 5 to each term. So therefore, from the sequence, we have plus 5, that is 12. 12 plus 5, that's 17. 17 plus 5, that is 22. The question now is, what are the next three terms? So we have 22 plus 5 equals 27. 27 plus 5 equals 32. And 32 plus 5 equals 37. Therefore, for the sequence 7, 12, 17, and 22, we have 27, 32, and 37. Another example. Find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. 45, 42, 39, and 36. Look for the pattern. Usually a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. The pattern is to add integers -3 to each term. So we will add -3 to each term to get the number 42, 39, and 36. So how does it look? So 45 plus -3 is 42, or 45 minus 3 is 42. 42 plus -3 is 39. 39 plus -3 is 36. The question is, what is the next three terms? So we have 36 plus -3 is 33. 33 plus -3 is 30. And 30 plus -3 is 27. Therefore, for the sequence 45, 42, 39, and 36, the numbers are 33, 30, and 27. Geometric sequence. Find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. As you still remember, in geometric sequence, we multiply the number. So in this sequence, we have 3, 9, 27, and 81. What do you think is the number to be multiplied by each term to get this kind of sequence? So the pattern is to multiply 3 to each term. So how does it look? So we have 3 times 3 is 39. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. The question is, what will be the next three terms? So we have 81 times 3 is 243. 243 times 3 is 729. And 729 times 3 is 2187. Therefore, the next three terms are 243, 729, and 2187. For geometric sequence, find the next three numbers or terms in each pattern. So we have 512, 256, 128, 64. Look for a pattern, usually a procedure or rule that uses the same number or expression each time to find the next term. The pattern is to divide by 2 to each term. Note, to divide by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The pattern for the geometric sequence is represented by a multiplication pattern. For example, we have to divide by 2 is represented by the pattern multiplying by 1/2. So therefore, pwede siyang i-divide, pwede siyang i-multiply. So we have divide 2 or times 1/2. Again, divide 2 times 1 or times 1/2. Same with this. So the question is, what will be our next three terms? So our next three terms will be 64 divide 2, 32 divide 2, and 16 divide 2. 64 divide 2 is 32. 32 divide 2 is 16. And 16 divide 2 is 8. Therefore, the next three terms are 32, 16, and 8. Another example, we have 2m, 4m, 8m, and 16m sequence. The pattern is to multiply by 2 to each term or expression. So, this is how it looks like. So, 2m times 2 is 4m. 4m times 2 is 8m. 8m times 2 is 16m. The question is, what will be the next three terms? So we have 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. And 64 times 2 is 128. Just add m. So we have 32m, 64m, 128m for the next three terms. Arithmetic sequence. Find the next three expression or terms in each pattern. We have 2m plus 2, 4m plus 5, 6m plus 8, and 8m plus 11. So, the pattern is to add 2m plus 3 to each term or expression. So, we have 2m plus 2 plus 2m plus 3 is 4m plus 5. 4m plus 5 plus 2m plus 3 is 6m plus 8. 6m plus 8 plus 2m plus 3 is 8m plus 11. The question is, what will be our next three terms? So we have the following: 10m plus 15, 12m plus 18, and 14m plus 21. So our next three terms are 10m plus 15, 12m plus 18, and 14m plus 21 from the original 2m plus 2, 4m plus 5, 6m plus 8, and 10m plus, I think that's 8m plus 11. So that's all about for today's activity. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more updates. Bye!